Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be doing a nursery rhyme drawing. It's going to be Little Boy Blue.
And in case you haven't heard that one before, this is how it goes. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where is that boy who looks after the sheep? Under the haystack, fast asleep.
So we're going to get started.
Yeah, I got my marker.
Awesome.
Okay. Little Boy Blue. He's fast asleep under a hay bale, so we're going to draw him sleeping. So let's start with doing some sleeping eyes. Can you do 2 sleeping eyes?
Yeah.
And then his nose is right in the middle. And then his mouth is under his nose. Just a little oval. And then we're going to draw his bottom part of his mouth. Yep. And we'll put an ear on this side and an ear on this side. Now let's give him some bangs. We're going to swoop down like that. Can you do a swooping line? Cool. And then we can also swoop down over here by this ear, and his hair's gonna poke out a little bit. Cute. All right, and then he's got a baseball cap, so we're gonna draw a line going that way.
This one?
Uh-huh. Yep. And then we're gonna draw the brim going up like that. Mm-hmm. And then we can draw some of his hair, like with little triangles, going up under his baseball cap. And then also going out this way. Cute.
Oh, Mom, I did the big one like yours.
Yeah. All right, and then I have another little tuft of hair I'll do right there below his ear.
That's fun. That's really easy.
Yeah. So then we're going to draw a line up and then over for the top part of his baseball cap.
Up, over.
And then it meets over there. Mm-hmm. And then just a little, tiny little circle on the top. Cute. All right, now he needs a neck. So 2 little lines right there. And then we're going to draw his collar. So you make a little triangle that way.
Okay.
And another one going that way.
That more looks like arm sleeves.
That's okay. All right. And then he needs overalls. So you're going to draw a rectangle right there.
Over.
And then another rectangle over there.
Mm.
And then we're going to draw a line across.
That looks like a girl one.
That's okay. So a line across.
Don't.
And then little buckles there and there. Okay. And then we need to draw his knees. So we're going to draw like a mountain shape there. And another one right there. These are his knees.
Oops, he actually did.
No, that's fine. Just do another one right next to it.
That is better.
Mm-hmm. And then you can draw this line going down. His overalls are going to go behind his knees there.
Okay. That's easy.
Mm-hmm. And then you can draw like a pocket for his overalls right there. It's kind of like a square shape. There. Good job. Okay, and now we need to draw his shoes. So we're going to draw like a half circle right there and another half circle right there. And then the bottoms of his shoes are like that.
Ooh,
You draw a line over, down, and then over and up, like that. And that creates shoes. Very good.
friend, and then it meets back to his home.
Yeah, and then if your mountain doesn't meet up, then you can just make it meet up over there. Good job. And he could have a patch on his pants. Sometimes kids have to have patches on their clothes because you get holes. So you can just draw like a little rectangle and draw some little lines in there. All right. So now we need to draw his arm that's holding his horn. So we're going to draw a little line going that way. And then it's going to come down and over like that.
Down.
And then we're going to draw the cuff of his sleeve like that.
Cuff.
One more line for the cuff. No, over here. One more line. There we go. And then his hand is going to come out like this, and down. And then over like this and up like that.
Hey, Mom, I just did that.
Yeah. And then we're going to draw the mouthpiece for his horn right there. It's a circle. Cool. And then the horn, so you're going to think about it going through his fingers. And then it comes out and over like that.
That's easy.
Yeah, it makes like a bell shape like that.
Where?
And it goes out. Good. Very good. And then if you have room, you can draw little circles right here
I do have room.
for the finger holes, the keys. Just 3 little circles. Very good. And then little lines going down.
Bling, bling, bling.
And then a little circle right here.
Just
I mean,
half.
your half circle, that's right. Very good. Okay, so now then this arm is going to be resting on the hay bale. So you're going to make a little mountain shape like that. And then you're going to make a little rectangle right there for the cuff of his sleeve. And then a little line up. And then another line going over.
I fit only a little when I'm doing a little line.
So now make one more line going up to it. Very good. Now his hand is just drooping down.
Okay.
So it's 3 fingers drooping down. And you can do a little thumb if you want.
Nope.
Okay.
Don't want to do a thumb.
I'm going to put some shoelaces on his shoes. You can just draw little bows if you want. All right, now we're going to draw this part of the hay bale. So we're going to draw a mountain that comes out behind. Like that. To draw a little mountain right there. Yeah. And now we're going to draw the big hay bale. We're going to start over here.
Okay.
We're going to go up. Big mountain going around. Yep, and meet down there. Good job. All right, and then how can we make it look like hay? Should we draw little lines? And this can help us know it's hay. And then do you think we should give him some Z's? Do you know what Z's are? This is a Z. So a Z helps you know he's asleep. So you can do 3 Z's going up.
And down.
Just up. So Z, Z, Z. And you can do it right up here if you want. So a line over. Yep. Very good. Cute. Love it. And then maybe just a couple more lines and little tufts. Oh yeah. All right. Do you think we've done enough haste? Yeah, there you go.
Done with the marker.
Okay, put your lid on if you're done drawing it.
No.
And now let's get blue,
Blue.
yellow,
Yellow.
and tan.
Tan.
And maybe we're going to do a red patch right here.
Red.
And maybe some skin color.
Skin color.
And brown for the shoes and the hair.
And brown for the shoes and for the hair.
So let's go find those colors.
We're coloring in time lapse, but go ahead and get the colors that you need, and you can pause the video on our final picture and you can look off of that to color your picture. All right, pause it now.
The two-handed drawing now. How's that going?
Done.
I've never drawn with two hands at the same time. That's pretty cool.
But I have a lot done.
Really? You like to do that a lot?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Done.
All right. We hope you had so much fun drawing Little Boy Blue. And we will see you next time when we draw another nursery rhyme.
Boy.
Bye.
Bye again.